Scan to unlock SOVI and ace your tests.
Water movement in plants is actually super simple once you understand polarity. Let's break down this xylem question fast so you can master biology in seconds today. First, you have to remember that water is a polar molecule. This means it has partial charges that allow it to stick to other polar substances through strong hydrogen bonds. Next, for water to climb up the plant, the xylem walls must also be polar. This creates adhesion, where water molecules cling to the two balls to fight against gravity. Finally, cohesion pulls other water molecules along as they bond to each other. This combined force moves the water upward, making option D the only choice that explains this correctly. Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with SOVI. Avoid the rush and watch signs. Always trust given info and check your steps carefully.